The Environmental Governance Program is a joint initiative funded by the government of Sweden, SIDA, and implemented by the Swedish Environmental Protection Agency and United Nations Development Program. As we all know, mining is incredibly important for many countries. It can bring in new revenue, it can bring in employment. At the same time, we also know that mining can have a negative impact on people's well-being, on local communities in mining areas, and on the environment, which is so critical for our societies and our economies. This environmental governance program is designed to help address some of these challenges in the mining sector by integrating human rights-based approaches into the governance of mining, both large-scale and small-scale. The program has been working in Mongolia for several years, as well as other countries. And what we're doing here is not providing solutions, but facilitating a discussion with all key partners, with the Ministry of Environment, the Ministry of Mining, the Human Rights Commission, and many other partners, including the inspection agency, local authorities, civil society, and of course, mining companies and other private sector actors. This is not an easy task, but thanks to the collective efforts and the cooperation of all those groups that I mentioned, much progress is being made here in Mongolia, and we're happy to be able to share these experiences with other countries. So over the past 2 days, we've just had a quite amazing workshop on participatory environmental monitoring. The workshop was organized by both the government of Mongolia and the Environmental Governance Program, implemented by both the Swedish Environmental Protection Agency and the United Nations Development Program. We had a great series of presentations that were designed to both share the experiences of other countries, including Latin America and Sweden, but more importantly, to hear about all the great work that's happening here in Mongolia. We had several presentations and several working exercises that highlighted both the importance of participatory environmental monitoring and at the same time looked at how to overcome some of the challenges here in Mongolia to make sure that this type of monitoring combined with other initiatives can lead to a more sustainable, more human rights oriented governance of the mining sector.